Trying not to get lost out here in the mangroves. I'm so freaking happy right now. Go ahead and release her. It's Kelly here and oh, there's a bug in my eye. Hey guys, it's Kelly here and we're out here in Stuart, Florida with my girl Cheyenne. Hey. Say what's up. And we got the yaks out here today. Oh yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get some fish on these kayaks. We had a kind of a late start this morning. It's like 10 o'clock right now. We had to wait for 2 huge rain clouds to pass. So it's finally clearing up now. Still overcast, but we're gonna see what we can do. Let's get it. Yep, we're good. Oh my god, it's so slippery.
Please don't go down.
Oh, I'm sliding.
Do you need me to grab you?
No, it's good. Alright, we're good.
Because I don't know how much further I can go without wiping out.
Yeah, get in. And then just like scoot off at the same time. Here, I can pull you. Wait, I have an idea. Ah!
I've got one leg in, so if I go down.
Oh my gosh. Wait, I can pull you with this rope. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Get in. Ah!
Survived.
Alright, we're good. My bucket's still back there. Shit. Alright. Where's my rod?
Oh, great. Get off my rod.
Oh yeah.
They're like trolling rod holders.
Oh yeah, I know, right? They're kind of different. We're gonna troll on the kayaks.
We're finding out.
Yes. Alright, which way are we going? Alright, head to the right because we're drifting to the left. So I'm kind of pissed because I forgot my sunglasses. So that sucks. And this is actually my first time fishing in a kayak. I've never fished in a kayak before, so I gotta learn how to use my space wisely. Alright. I'm just like...
Get your shrimp.
Ah!
I thought I was going to flip the kayak.
Ah, I got one. Had to blindly grab a shrimp here. Alright. Alright, little guy. Catch me a fish. Alright. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Something just blew up right there.
I hear stuff all over, whether they're mullet or... Oh yeah, that's...
This was something big. Are we gonna go down this way? I think. Trying not to get lost out here in the mangroves. Let's see.
Yeah, if we go back in here, we'll pop out by where you were saying.
Yeah, to the inlet.
You know, like, get the fuck out of here. So people walk in and they're like, are we interrupting something? Like, literally, like, may as well have a beer and a big popcorn. Like,
Yeah. I was just getting hit, probably a little snapper.
oh yeah.
think I just got robbed. Let's see. They hit it like 8 times. Oh yeah. Oh. They just took the legs off. They took the legs off my shrimp. Huh. Weird. Jack? That is hilarious. You know, the rain just stopped.
I know.
I saw a snook over there.
Oh, where you were?
Yeah.
I was hoping that that's what this was, but after it started frantically pulling me into the mangroves,
That is.
figured else.
That's. You have it still? Aw, nice Jack.
Oh yeah.
Cheyenne took that to a snook right now. Get it in the kayak! Nice! I'm coming over, hold on. Were you just in the middle? Oh, I thought it was a snook. I was like, fuck the paddle. Fuck the paddle. Where's the snook?
That was so exciting.
That was super exciting. I didn't even catch the fish.
Oh my gosh.
Nice. Woo! First snook of the day.
Oh no, come back.
Took a little bit. All right, girl. Now I gotta catch a snook.
I know, for real.
Oh, mullet are jumping everywhere right now. All right, you ready? Oh, that's spooky. Beautiful. Nice.
Good?
Yeah. Wait, yeah, go ahead and release her. Here, you want me to, okay.
All right, going back.
Woo! Beautiful, good job,
Yeah.
Awesome.
Let's get some more. Ready for bigger ones now.
I know, right? Okay, so what we're doing right now is we're using popping corks and shrimp, and we're just drifting, oh, there's a mullet, along this little canal here. I don't know what that was.
I don't know either. It sounded good though.
I really hope I still have a shrimp on mine.
I know, all I have is dead shrimp.
Oh no, come get some of mine. Cheyenne has another fish right now. Cheyenne, you're making me look bad. Is it a little snook? Let me see. Nice, look at him.
I love him.
That's so cute. That's awesome. Yeah, sick, good job.
Thanks.
Cheyenne's got another big one on right now.
It's a stick!
Oh, it's a stick? Is it?
Yes.
Alright, never mind.
Alright.
I literally thought you had a monster. Woo! Alright, finally got myself a snook. Come on, little guy. Come on. Woo! Stay on, little guy. Woo! That is awesome. Look at him. Woo! Calm down. Calm down, buddy. Nice. First fish on the kayak. Alright, let's get situated here. I got happy right now. Listen. This is my first time fishing on a kayak, and it's pretty cool. I like it. Space is tight, but it's worth it when you pull up a freaking fish. Look at him, he's so cute. I love baby snook. All snook in general, really. Thank God. I've been waiting hours for this one fish. Cheyenne caught like 4 baby snook already. So beautiful. Oh no, Cheyenne! I wish we could keep these in a fish tank. They would be so cool.
Alright. Perfect.
Ready?
Woo. Ready? 1, 2.
Perfect.
I can't see anything, so.
Just tap it. See?
Oh, there we go.
Perfect.
Nice snook.
I know, baby snook day. Go ahead and release them.
Bye bye, little guy.
Oh, okay, well then fine. Swim away.
Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Yeah.
All right, beautiful. Woo! All right, I'm so happy I finally caught one. What is it, 1 to 4? Jesus.
Something like that.
Hate you. This girl literally found, oh it's so windy, she found this bait floating in the water, so she's gonna use it and see if she can catch anything on it.
Screw the jigs.
Screw the jigs. Dead floating bait. It's free. Come on. Catch us a snook. Oh!
Yeah?
I did. He took the tail off. Dang. Had a bite. Took the little tail off. We'll throw it back out there. Throw it back out there and see what happens. Dang it. Alright, we definitely gotta plan the times next time. Oh my gosh. We're in like 4 inches of water right now. I got Cheyenne pulling both the kayaks, putting her to work. Oh, it's getting so shallow now. I can feel the sand under my butt. We just got back in. That tide was brutal on the way back.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna plan different tides next time.
Yeah, for sure.
Travel.
We just kind of winged it this time. But we got the yaks all loaded back up. And what did we catch? We caught
5 snook in total and 2 jacks.
2 jacks. She outfished me by a hell of a lot more fish, but I did land my 1 snook, so I'm so happy that I did.
Next time, you gotta redeem yourself.
For sure. Next time, redemption. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and hit that notification bell, subscribe, leave a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you later.